Today we're going to practice regrouping tens and ones. Okay, so 26 is 2 tens plus 6 ones. What is another way to make 26? Okay, so definitely going to use my scratch pad for this. So if I have my tens and my ones, we know that this is 26. So I need to see which choice down below is the same thing, just represented a little bit differently. Okay, so 110 plus 16 ones. Well, let's see this. If I have 110, that's 10. If I have 16 ones, it's that. If I add them up, what do I get? 26. Do we have a match? So if I have 110 and I have 16 ones, does it work? Yes, it does. Let's try another. 22 is 2 tens plus 2 ones. Let's find another way to make 22. So again, I have 2 tens and 2 ones. Our last problem, we took a 10 from here and we gave it to the 1. I'm thinking it's like a neighbor. The ones need some help. They need to borrow, say, some sugar. So they go next door to the 10 and say, hey, can I have some sugar? So the 10 gives it to them. So if I take away one of the 10s here and I give the 10 to the 2, what does that give me? 10 and 2 is 12. So now I have 110 and 12 ones. Is that a choice? It is. Let's try another one. 22 is 2 tens plus 2 ones. Okay, we just did this, so let's use it as a practice. Tens, ones, 22. We said that we want to have the ones go next door, knock on the door, and borrow from the tens. It needs to use some of its sugar. So 10 says, sure, I'll give you one. I'll give you one group of 10. So that 10 comes over here, and the 10 changes the 2 into a 12. So what do I have? 1 10, 12 ones. 110 plus 12 ones. Good job. Let's do it again. I want you to tell me this time. It's still tens and ones, and it's still 22. Okay, what do I do first? Go to the tens, cross it out. He's borrowing that sugar, so that 2 becomes a 1. And then the 2 over here, because we're taking a 10 and giving it to the 2, makes a 12. So 110 and 12 ones. 25 is 2 tens plus 5 ones. Okay, let's do it. You've got this. Okay, so we have tens and ones. 25. Okay, let's see. The ones place goes next door. 10 says, sure, I can help you out. You can have a set of 10. So tens is left with one more. The 5 ones is given that group of 10. So that becomes 15. So what do I have? I have 110 and 15 ones. 22. What do we say 22 is? It's 110 plus 12 ones. Next, 24 is 2 tens plus 4 ones. Let's make 24 a different way. Tens here, ones here. We 24. I go to the tens. I make it a 1. So I'm taking that group of 10 and I'm giving it to the 4. So now that becomes 14. Because you can't just throw out that 4. You got to put them together. So we have how many tens? 1 10, 14 ones. Good job so far. Now we're doing 28. 28 is the same as 20 tens plus 8 ones. So I go next door to the tens. What am I going to make it? A 1, because I'm taking a group of 10. That group of 10 gets with the 8 to make 18. What is my new answer? I have 1 10 and I have 18 ones. 21 is 2 tens plus 1 ones. Select another way. Okay, let's do it. You're a pro at this. So we have tens and ones, 21. Which one am I going to cross out first? The 2. And that will become a 1. Good job. I'm taking that group of 10 over to the ones place. So the 1 becomes 11. So what do I have? I have 1 10 and 11 ones. You're doing such a good job. Let's try one more. 28. So I have my tens and my ones. I have 28. I go to the tens, make it a 1, take that group of 10 over to the 8, and that becomes 18. So 28 is the same as 1 10 plus 18 ones. Great job!